Ever looked at your CSAT dashboard and thought, okay, my score is 82, but what exactly does that mean? Who's unhappy? Is it one channel, one agent, one broken process? Or you are exporting CSVs, doing manual pivots, and by the time you spot it in, 5 more customers have churned. Hi, I'm Garika from Zonka Feedback. We help teams run surveys, manage CX programs, and make sense of feedback with AI. In this video, we are getting very real about CSAT software. Not just tools that send smiley face surveys, but platforms that actually help you catch issues in real time, coach your support team better, and turn satisfaction data into decisions, not just reports. Here's what we'll cover: what CSAT software really does in a modern CX stack, how to evaluate CSAT tools beyond can it send a survey, my breakdown of top 5 CSAT tools, practical CSAT best practices you can implement this quarter. So let's start with the basics and then we'll get into the tools. What is CSAT software? CSAT tools are basically your customer satisfaction radar plus decision system. They help you ask customers right after a key interaction, how satisfied were you with this support experience? How did we do with your audit or delivery? How was this onboarding or training session? And then turn those raw scores and comments into structured insights you can actually act on. So instead of staring at an average score and guessing, you get a clear view of which channels are underperforming, email versus chat versus phone, which agents or teams need coaching, what's driving low satisfaction, delays, attitude, process, product issues, where customers are actually delighted so you can double down. And the best CSAT software does one more important thing. It connects feedback back into your workflows, so low scores trigger alerts, follow-ups, and recovery actions automatically, not just a SAG slide in the monthly CX report. Why you need a CSAT software? Here's the thing. Your customers are reacting to their experience whether you measure CSAT or not. They are quietly switching providers, venting in emails and chats, leaving hints in tickets and reviews, or telling your frontline team how they really feel. Without the right CSAT tool, you only hear from the loudest customers. You miss the slow, silent dissatisfaction that leads to churn, and support and CX decisions become gut feel instead of evidence. And today, customer expectations move way too fast for slow quarterly feedback loops. What you need is a CSAT software that helps you capture satisfaction in the moment, right after the interaction, analyze comments automatically, whether it is sentiment, themes, urgency, type feedback to agents, channels, segments, and accounts, and highlight what's driving friction or delight so you can fix the right things first. That's how CSAT moves from another metric to a real CX control system. How to evaluate CSAT tools. Before we dive into the tools, let me quickly share the exact filter I use whenever I'm judging a CSAT platform. Because honestly, a lot of tools look similar until you check for these 4 things. First, can it capture feedback at the exact moment of truth? Because if I had $1 for every CSAT survey that goes out 3 days after the interaction, I'd probably retire early. CSAT only works when it's fresh. Right after the ticket closes, right after the chat ends, right after the delivery or transaction. So look for things like one-click ratings in your ticket closure emails, CSAT questions right inside your chat widget, quick transaction surveys for orders, appointments, or visits, and little in-app CSAT prompts that pop up right after a key interaction. If a tool can't do this, it's already off my list. Second, does it help you understand why at scale? Because every support team knows this pain. You get hundreds of comments and suddenly you are spending a Friday evening reading through all of them manually. The best CSAT tools don't make you do that. They detect sentiment automatically, auto-tag recurring themes like slow responses, billing issues, bug, rude agent, and show you the real drivers behind low or high satisfaction. So instead of drowning in open text, you instantly see the story. Third, can it connect CSAT to your support stack? This one's a big deal. Your CSAT tool shouldn't sit alone in a dashboard somewhere. It should plug right into your workflows, your help desk, your CRM, your Slack. Meaning, you should be able to do things like send CSAT straight into Zendesk, Intercom, Freshdesk, Salesforce, create rules like if CSAT is 3 or below and the comment is very negative, alert the CX lead, and reopen or escalate tickets automatically when needed. Because support, CX, and success all need to see the same signals at the same time. And last, does it give you the right views? CSAT is not one number. Please don't let any tool make you believe that. You need dashboards that let you see trends over the time. Are we getting better or worse? Channel level performance. Is chat doing better than email? Agent or team level scores. and the key themes driving changes in satisfaction. When a customer satisfaction tool nails these four things, capture in context, explain the why, plug into your stack, and give actionable insights, that's when it becomes shortlist material. Top 5 CSAT tools. Here are my recommendations for the best customer satisfaction tools this year. First, Zonka Feedback. First up, we have Zonka Feedback. If your goal is to run a CSAT program that actually moves the needle on customer satisfaction, not just send surveys, Zonka Feedback is one of the most complete CSAT tools out there. Because Zonka doesn't treat CSAT as one-off checkbox, it treats it like a seed system that helps you collect, analyze, act, and improve satisfaction across every touch point. You can create CSAT surveys in minutes using intuitive templates or AI-assisted builders, and then trigger them exactly when it matters. After a ticket closes, after a chat ends, after a delivery, in-app, or on your website via email, SMS, WhatsApp, or even offline kiosks. This means you're capturing feedback at the right moment of truth, not weeks later in a generating blast. But Zonka becomes more than just a CA survey tool when you look at what it does with that feedback. Its AI feedback intelligence automatically analyzes sentiment and themes from open text comments and scores, so you instantly see patterns like slow response time or milling confusion without manual tagging. A unified feedback repository brings together responses from surveys, tickets, chats, emails, and reviews, stopping data silos and giving you a single source of truth for satisfaction. You can segment feedback by location, channel, or agent so you know exactly where scores are slipping, whether that's a specific store, team, or platform. Where Zonga Feedback really shines as a CSAT software is in its action and automation. You can set up workflows that automatically route low CSAT scores to the right teams, trigger alerts in Slack, Teams, or email when satisfaction drops, create tasks or cases, and monitor resolution until the feedback loop is closed, drive follow-ups for unhappy customers while capturing real information about why they were dissatisfied in the first place. And the reporting side isn't just basic charts. Zonga gives you real-time dashboards that show trends over time, drill downs by location or agent, and advanced analytics that helps you prioritize what to fix first. So, if you want a customer satisfaction platform that helps you capture satisfaction instantly, understand underlying sentiment and issues, root insights into real workflows, and drive improvements consistently across teams, Zonka Feedback nails all of that and turns raw CSAT score into actionable intelligence your entire organization can use. Second, SurveyMonkey. If you want a CSAT tool that's flexible, familiar, and perfect for running structured, branded satisfaction surveys across email and web, SurveyMonkey is a solid choice. SurveyMonkey isn't built specifically for ticket-level CSAT workflows. It's built for teams that want research-grade control over their questions, logic, and survey design. And that's where it shines. You get a huge library of ready-to-use CSAT templates, test-in question banks, and customization options, so your surveys look polished and completely on brand. And because it's a full survey builder, you can go beyond the classic "How satisfied were you?" and add meaningful follow-ups like "What's the main reason for your scope? How could we improve this experience? What part of the interaction stood out for you?" This makes your CSAT program more diagnostic instead of just numerical. SurveyMonkey also works great for periodic CSAT checks like quarterly product satisfaction surveys, customer journey evaluation, or relationship CSAT studies where you want detailed insight, not just a quick rating. You'll likely rely on integrations or connectors to tie SurveyMonkey into your help desk. But once it's set up, you get clean dashboard filters and comparisons that make it easy to spot what's trending and what needs attention. If your team values structured survey design and deeper customer feedback, and you want a platform that feels familiar and easy to roll out across departments, SurveyMonkey is a safe, reliable option. Third, Qualtrics. If you're running CSAT at a large scale across multiple channels, teams, regions, or business units, Qualtrics is the enterprise-grade solution built for that level of complexity. Qualtrics doesn't just send satisfaction surveys, it powers full customer experience management programs. You can collect CSAT from virtually anywhere: web, apps, emails, SMS, IVR, on-site kiosks, physical locations, you name it. And because Qualtrics handles massive volumes of data, the platform doesn't just give you a score, it gives you drivers, root causes, and statistical impact analysis. One of Qualtrics' biggest strengths is its text analytics engine. If you get hundreds or thousands of CSAT comments each week, Qualtrics automatically groups them into experience drivers, detects sentiment at scale, highlights emerging issues, and identifies which factors have the strongest impact on the satisfaction scores. So instead of guessing what's dragging your CSAT down, you know exactly where the friction lies in your customer journey. And because it's enterprise focused, Qualtrics connects deeply with BI tools, data warehouse, CRM system, organizational workflows, making it ideal for companies that want CSAT tied to bigger outcomes like NPS, churn, revenue, and retention. It's not a plug and play tool. It usually requires setup, training, and a strategy. But if you need serious CSAT intelligence that scales across your entire organization, Qualtrics is built for that for it. Fourth, Typeform. If you want your CSAT surveys to feel friendly, human, and delightfully conversational, Typeform is the tool that gets the experience just right. Where most CSAT tools present a list of questions, Typeform shows one question at a time, almost like a chat. This feels smooth, personal, and frictionless, which naturally improves response rates and the quality of answers you get back. Typeform is perfect for teams who care about brand experience, design, tone of voice, and not overwhelming customers with a traditional survey layout. And the best part? You can use powerful logic to personalize the flow based on the score. If someone gives you a low CSAT, they are shown, "We're sorry, this wasn't great. What happened?" If they are a promoter, you ask, "Amazing, what did we do well?" This makes CSAT feel thoughtful instead of transactional, and customers appreciate that. Typeform isn't built specifically for post-ticket automation, so you'll often combine it with email journeys, lifecycle campaigns, onboarding flows, or CRM triggers. If your brand or product thrives on delivering a polished, modern experience and you want a CSAT tool that reflects that, Typeform is a beautiful fit. Fifth, SimpleSat. If your support team lives inside tools like Zendesk, Intercom, and Scout, ServiceNow, or Front, and you want CSAT to just slot right into your workflow, it makes CSAT unbelievably easy for both your team and your customers. You can embed one-click satisfaction ratings directly in the ticket closure emails, support signature, chat follow-ups, or automated help desk workflows. No separate survey pages, no extra steps. The customer clicks once, leaves a comment if they want, and you get instant feedback, which is why SimpleSat's response rates are often higher than traditional survey tools. What makes SimpleSat especially strong is its agent level and channel level insights. You can clearly see which agents are improving, which interactions consistently generate high CSAT, where coaching is needed, and what types of issues tend to trigger low satisfaction. Everything sinks back into your help desk, so every ticket gets a CSAT history that's gold for QA and performance reviews. SimpleSat is lightweight, clean, and incredibly focused if you want a CSAT tool that integrates deeply with your support stack and gives your team clarity without complexity. CSAT best practices you can implement this quarter. Alright, quick reality check. Sending CSAT surveys is easy, but collecting CSAT that actually improves your customer experience, that's where most teams fall short. So here are 5 best CSAT practices I genuinely swear by, and you can immensely benefit from implementing all of this. First, catch a CSAT at the exact moment of truth. Don't wait. A CSAT survey that goes out hours or days after interaction is basically a memory test and not a very reliable one. Send CSAT right after the ticket closes and or the chat ends, the delivery happens, or the onboarding completes. When the emotion is fresh, the feedback is honest. And because the experience is still top of the mind, you'll not only get higher response rates, you'll get the real story, not the revised one. Second, keep it tiny, one rating, one follow-up. The biggest mistake teams make, trying to turn CSAT into full research study. I personally wouldn't recommend that. The magic formula is simple. One satisfaction rating, one optional tell us more. That's it. This keeps friction low, responses high, and feedback real. And the open text follow-up becomes your gold mine because that's where customers tell you what exactly needs fixing. Third, turn CSAT into coaching engine, not a report. A CSAT score is nice, but a CSAT comment tied to a specific agent, channel, or issue, that's transformational. Use real CSAT examples to coach your team. Share what great support looks like. Highlight tone, empathy, clarity. Spot recurring patterns and negative feedback, and celebrate wins so good behaviors get repeated. Your team learns faster from customer words than from any training tech. Fourth, automate your recovery playbook for low CSAT. A bad CSAT should never just sit in a dashboard. Set up rules like if a CSAT is less than 3, alert the manager, reopen or escalate the ticket, trigger a follow-up message. This ensures you catch issues before they become churn risks, and customers feel heard, which often turns a frustrated user into a loyal one. Even a simple "we are sorry, this wasn't great, we are already looking into it" can save an account. Fifth, close the loop and tell customers when the feedback created change. This is the step almost everyone skips. If customers take a moment to give you feedback, they want to know it mattered. So, let their feedback, fix the issue, and tell them when you have made improvements because of that. Saying, hey, we improved our response times based on your feedback is how you build trust, stronger relationships, and higher participation the next time you ask. Closing the loop is the difference between a CSAT survey and CSAT program. And that's a wrap, your complete guide to best CSAT tools for measuring and improving customer satisfaction. If CSAT has ever felt like just another number on your dashboard, the right customer satisfaction software completely changes the game. It helps you move from guessing to knowing, from reacting to preventing, and from isolated feedback to a clear, unified picture of what your customers actually experience. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop your CSAT question in the comments. Tell me what tools you are using today or where you are getting stuck in your satisfaction program. And if you want a CSAT platform that helps you collect feedback across touch points, analyze it instantly with AI, close the feedback loop at scale, check out Zonta Feedback through the link in the description. With AI feedback intelligence and complete sales workflows, it might just become your new satisfaction superpower. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.